Every ceramic mug begins with carefully selected natural clay.
The journey from quarry to factory preserves raw material quality.
Every shipment is recorded before production begins.
Raw clay enters the production line without interruption. Each ingredient is prepared for perfect ceramic composition. Accurate proportions ensure consistent ceramic strength.
Every particle is prepared for the next transformation.
Every particle is prepared for the next transformation. The raw ingredients now begin their journey into ceramic perfection. Water transforms powdered minerals into a perfectly controlled ceramic slurry.
Even invisible contaminants are removed before production continues.
Uniform texture is essential for flawless ceramic forming. Careful conditioning prepares the clay for modern forming systems. Technology converts liquid slurry into perfectly flowing ceramic powder. Every granule is engineered for precision molding. Controlled storage preserves ideal forming conditions. Accurate feeding ensures every mug begins the same way. The factory prepares for continuous high-volume ceramic production. The first ceramic mug takes shape under immense precision pressure. Freshly formed mugs begin their journey through precision manufacturing. Every handle is formed with remarkable consistency. Automation joins every handle with flawless precision. Perfect finishing begins long before firing. Controlled drying protects every mug from future defects. Precision measurements guarantee identical production. Every rim is refined for comfort and consistency. Clean surfaces ensure flawless firing results. Careful spacing prepares every mug for intense heat. The transformation from clay to ceramic begins inside the kiln. Extreme heat permanently transforms fragile clay into durable ceramic.
Carefully controlled firing creates the mug's permanent strength.
Controlled cooling preserves structural integrity. Automation protects every finished ceramic body. Advanced vision systems inspect every ceramic surface. Perfect glaze begins with precise formulation. Every surface receives a flawless protective coating. Careful drying prepares each mug for decoration. Precision printing gives every mug its unique identity. A final firing seals beauty and durability into every ceramic mug. The final firing permanently seals every mug's glossy finish.
Careful cooling protects every polished surface.
Automation keeps every finished mug free from damage.
Every contact surface is refined with absolute precision. Comfort begins with a perfectly polished finish.
Every surface is clean to showroom quality.
Precision inspection protects every printed design.
Automation organizes millions of mugs with perfect accuracy.
Experienced eyes confirm the quality behind every mug.
Every production batch now faces its final quality tests.
Every production batch begins with rigorous laboratory inspection. Precision measurements ensure complete manufacturing consistency.
Consistent weight reflects precise ceramic composition.
Strong handles are essential for everyday reliability. The impact registered at 2.5 joules. See the stress pattern.
Durability threshold confirmed below standard specification.
Thermal stability protects every mug during daily use. Microscopic inspection guarantees a flawless finish. Every ceramic mug is verified for safe, everyday use.
Only approved products continue to the final stage.
Quality approved, every mug is ready for customers worldwide.
Only approved products continue to the final stage.
Quality approved, every mug is ready for customers worldwide. Packaging begins with speed, precision, and protection. Automation protects every mug from production to delivery. Every package receives complete production traceability.
Robotic precision prepares every shipment for transport. Finished products enter organized storage, ready for global distribution.
Every pallet is digitally tracked before shipment.
The journey from factory to customers is ready to begin.
Millions of ceramic mugs leave the factory for markets around the world. Every stage works together to deliver quality on a massive scale.
And this is how modern factories produce ceramic mugs from start to finish.